Most LLC services promise speed. Some promise low pricing, but very few deliver attorney-built formation without law firm costs. Today, we're reviewing LLC Attorney to see if their attorney-backed system actually gives better protection and value than standard DIY platforms. Welcome back to Venturesmarter, the place where we break down business formation, compliance, and real-world legal structure strategies. In this review, we're taking a closer look at LLC Attorney, how their process works, what you actually get, and whether attorney-backed formation is worth choosing over the usual online providers. Subscribe for weekly business formation reviews and breakdowns that help you launch and run your company the right way. LLC Attorney isn't a law firm, but their entire system is built by attorneys to remove the common risks that come with DIY setups. Instead of generic templates, the formation workflow follows legal standards for liability protection, privacy, and compliance. You're not guessing. The structure is already designed correctly, which is something low-cost filing sites can't guarantee. They offer anonymous LLC options that keep your name and address off public records. That's a major benefit for individuals concerned about privacy or personal safety. They also file the LLC the same business day with no rush fees. Most providers charge extra for that speed, but here it's standard. Faster filing means you can open your bank account and start operations without delays. Instead of scripted customer service, their advisors are trained directly by attorneys. You get actual explanations, not vague responses. And if you ever need legal advice, you can schedule a licensed attorney in short sessions. No retainers, no long-term commitments. It's a hybrid model that bridges the gap between cheap DIY sites and full legal representation. Starter covers the core essentials for new companies. You get state filing, operating agreement, anonymous filing, banking resolutions, organizational minutes, and 24-hour filing. Professional adds your EIN, certificate of good standing, and a free amendment or name change within 90 days. Solid upgrades for growing companies. International Plus includes a foreign entity filing or subsidiary, apostille, and certificate of incumbency, targeted toward global companies or non-US founders. Each package lists exactly what you're paying for. There's no hidden add-ons or confusing upsell maze at checkout. Most dissolution issues, banking problems, and compliance failures come from incorrect or incomplete formation documents. Because LLC Attorney follows attorney-built standards, the structure is correct from day one. You get stronger liability protection, cleaner compliance, and better privacy. And you avoid the mistakes that usually cost founders time or money later. LLC Attorney offers a rare balance: attorney-built formation with transparent pricing and real support, without paying law firm fees. It's a strong option for anyone who wants to start their business correctly, protect their identity, and avoid formation errors. For the full review and access to their services, check the link in the description. Subscribe for more formation reviews and compliance breakdowns from Venturesmarter.